Mikey's. Oh, way they go. Singing Lorky by the Real Spirits and Fighting Mikey's alongside Sugar Glaze down on the inside Charming Liar. Birds and Fiery by Hopland followed by Mikey's from the outside. Charming Liar is racing in third by Sam Tulens and Tulens corner back in fourth Sugar Glaze and a long way back to Sing Lorky. Birds and Fiery by Hopland followed by Mikey's from the outside. Charming Liar is racing in third by Sam Trilangs. Rounding the far turn, Fierce and Fiery Mikey's is rushing up from the outside, almost catching the lead. Mikey's this time by ahead, followed by Fierce and Fiery by Drell. As they race the final corner, Mikey's this time by a length and a half. Fierce and Fiery down on the inside, Charming Liar, Sugar Glaze, and Seeing Lorky. Entering the last 150 meters more to run. Mikey's by Sam Tulang, Fierce and Fiery. Sugar Glaze is on the outside. Mikey Sugar Glaze on the outside. Sugar Glaze moves up to take the lead. And finally, Sugar Glaze, Mikey, Sing Lorky, Fierce and Fiery, Charming Liar.
Okay, crossing the wire first. Di Hadupen, numero